In this video, I will show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to do this, of course, you want to make sure first that you are logged into the correct Google account that you might want to delete saved passwords for. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner of your Google Chrome browser, click onto the three dots, and then what you want to do on this menu is hover over the passwords and autofill option. What that's going to do is bring up some further options, and from here you want to click onto Google Password Manager, and it's going to take you to your password manager where you can find all your saved passwords for different websites. Now, to delete any of these passwords, all you want to do is find the website that you want to delete the saved password for. There is also a search box at the top, so you can use that to, of course, search for a website. And once you've done that, click onto the website to be taken to a screen like this. From here, you can see we've got a delete button at the bottom. If you give that a click, as you can see, it's going to say password deleted, and it's going to delete the saved password and the data for that website. So that is how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.